Good morning and welcome, boys and girls, to one more science class. Today we are going to finish this unit and we are going to discover the nervous system part 2. But before we start, let's remember the parts. We have the brain, we have the cerebellum, we have the brainstem, and the spinal cord. Yes, do you remember these parts? Perfect. So now, in this video, we are going to discover how orders travel through the body. So, imagine that I want to run. So, the question is, how the orders from the brain can travel to my legs? The answer is this. Orders travel through neurons, yes? And neurons are connected. So, the orders from the brain can travel very, very easily because we have lots of connections. We have lots of neuronal connections.
Please hang up and try again.
Okay, pay attention to this. It's a calculation. In our body, we have more or less, we have 86 billion neurons. And one neuron can have 10,000 connections. So, in all of our bodies, we can have between 100 and 500 trillion connections. That's super impressive. Our brain and the nervous system is the most powerful computer in nature. Okay, after this extra information about connections, let's review a little bit. We know that the brain creates orders. Orders travel through neurons. Neurons connect with other neurons. And now, let's see how can I run. My brain creates the order to run. Then this order travels through the spinal cord. And then the order continues the way to my legs. And look at me, I'm running. This is how the orders are transmitted. This is how orders travel through our bodies. And now, let's discover the final point in this unit. We know that our brain is a supercomputer and it can create an order, but also it can process information from the environment. Do you know the 5 senses? Sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch? Yes? So the 5 senses collect information from the environment and then they send this information, send or transmit. They send this information to the brain. And the brain, the computer, interprets this information as images, scents, flavors, sounds, or textures. It's easy, right? I hope you understand everything. let's say bye-bye to Unit 5. Bye-bye, Unit 5. Everything is finished. And now, it's your turn to study, to review, and to prepare, because the next week we have the super competition. We have a magnificent quizzes, and there are prizes for the first, second, and third places.
Are you ready to play?
I hope so, boys and girls. So, you know it. Review, enjoy science, and bye-bye.